Hello! In this video, we are going to draw the profile of our manga character. Again, we start with a circle and a vertical line passing by its center. Then an horizontal line passing by the center again. Another line at about 2/3 of the radius. And a third line equally distanced. After that, we add two new lines at about 1/3 of the space. And finally, a last line that will mark the front of the face. Then we draw the nose, the mouth, and the chin. After that, we draw the forehead and the eyebrows. We draw the eye centered on that second line, the neck with the front line falling close to the center line. The ear will be between the top and middle horizontal lines and just after the vertical line. And finally, we draw the hair. Once you are satisfied, you can ink your drawing, erase your sketch, and add some shading. This is it for this video. Do not hesitate to like and subscribe, and go visit my blog to learn more about manga making. See you!